Do tell us, what are the latest trends that you see in the broadcast industry?
Well, Suresh, at IBC, we've seen a lot of different areas. First of all, though, people are really focused on how to make money. So it is about efficiency. And AI is turning into that aspect. People have taken on machine learning and trying to understand how they can engage their customers more and bring them in to keep them with their services. And that's one of the more important things. Of course, we're also seeing a lot of things on additional money they can bring in. So it is all about advertising. So technology-wise, I think the AI aspects is different from people just using Chat GPT and things like that. They're really starting to use it to improve their workflow and where that fits within the different processes. We're also seeing them bringing in the next generation. They're trying to get the younger kids into watching the big screen. So before we had the first screen and the second screen, now they're starting to merge that together all into the same screen. We'll also see something interesting with the Apple Vision Pro coming on board. At the moment, the price makes it prohibitive, but it's starting to use more surfaces for production. We're going to see more aspect of that, but we'll also see the outgoing things where when the price comes down, then the users will have a more interactive experience.
So you have seen people wanting to bring money into the industry. Have you seen people trying to save money?
Oh, as I said, efficiency is one of the top things on the scale as well. We are seeing more aspect, though, is as far as cloud services go, people are moving back more into hybrid situations where they're using external cloud services for when they want to do more scalability or if they have a burst of energy happening. So from the technology point of view, edge computing is still very important, and we're also seeing how people are moving back and forth in services, in-house services versus out-house services for clouds, and where that fits.
So probably now everything is going into hybrid models for on-prem and cloud?
We are typically, yes, people have moved more into hybrid models, and the reason for that is cost, but the also reason for that is control. People are still worried about that. And
what about
as
piracy?
You know, Suresh, I always like to talk about security.
Yes,
that was my question. We really need to focus on security where that's going. People have focused on security to keep the content secure, but it's the total architecture they need to keep secure. And I'm going to bring up one final point with you, and that's sustainability. Our industry is focused on some sustainability and carbon footprint. We really shouldn't focus on carbon footprint because that's different in every country. We should clearly focus on how much power we're using and we can save. And I think that's going to really start to change how things work within the environment. Thanks for the chat today, Suresh.
One final question. How do you pronounce IBC 2024? Success, failure, or status quo?
I can tell you right away, within 10 minutes, we opened up the session at IBC, and I was in Hall 8 within 10 minutes, which is kind of buried in the middle, and it was full. So there's no question it's been a big success here.